Whip up some creamy hummus with me using the Instant Pot and the Vitamix. First, start by placing your dried garbanzo beans in the Instant Pot using the pot and pop method. Set to high pressure for 1 hour or 1 hour and 10 minutes. While the beans are cooking, start preparing all of your other ingredients. You're going to need half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tahini, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the pressure cooker is done, open the lid, remove the beans, and drain the liquid. Just make sure you leave about 1 to 2 tablespoons of leftover liquid to go into the Vitamix. Pour the beans into the Vitamix on top of all of your other ingredients. Turn the Vitamix on, turn the dial to puree, and press start. Let the hummus cool in the fridge for about an hour, serve it up, and enjoy.